Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we learned how to draw and color the french fries. First we use black marker for outline. First we draw the container for our fries. Think of it like a rectangle that's wider at the top and a little narrow at the bottom. A curved line. Very good. French fries are like sticks. Draw lots of them sticking out of your container. Draw them at different heights, some taller, some shorter, to make them look more natural. Like this. Very good. Time to color. French fries are usually a nice golden yellow. That's why we use yellow color. Make sure to stay within the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Great job. We use red color for the container. Carefully color in the entire container with your red color. Try to color in one direction. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Almost done. And there you have it, your French fries drawing. Great job. Allah Hafiz.